The 1941 Cadillac two-door coupe, masterfully rebuilt by Tucci Hot Rods. This stunning custom build blends classic aesthetics with modern performance and technology, creating a vehicle that is both timeless and innovative. Powerful engine and transmission. The power plant is a 2006 Cadillac engine 4.6-liter V8 XLR-V dual intercooled supercharged Northstar. The supercharger has been ported and polished, and now makes just over 500 rear-wheel horsepower. Since the Northstar engines only came with an automatic, McLeod made a custom twin-disc clutch to mate the 2006 Corvette 6-speed manual to the Cadillac engine. The wheels are one-off by Colorado Custom, 20-inch wheels in the rear and 18-inch wheels up front. Falcon tires connect the car to the road. Interior creates a modern but classic feel. The CTS-V center console is blended into the 1941 dash. The stock gauges were replaced with classic feel odometer gauges. A touch-and-go push-button start system fires up the 4.6-liter V8. Night driving is no problem with high-powered HID headlights. A handmade stainless steel exhaust system from the header's back utilizes Borla mufflers for a very European sound. A stainless steel gas tank houses a high-quality automotive fuel system. Air conditioning and heat are supplied, but a full vintage air AC system. Power steering, power brakes, and power windows are just some of the late-model trademarks. Starting from the bottom up, the chassis was handmade by Tucci Hot Rods to accept a 2006 C6 Corvette front and rear suspension. It uses Bilstein coilovers on all four corners.